Right, it's happened. 30,000 of you have just actually subscribed to this channel. That is, let's be honest, just me filming the inside of teeth down a microscope and obviously getting too far excited about irrigation and shaping. And I'm really, really stunned. Thank you so much for all you 30,000 subscribers. But as promised, the giveaway is now live. And one of you is going to win this Root ZX3 Apex locator, which is very exciting. As mentioned before, the entering is free. Only takes about a minute. Three things. One, you've got to be subscribed. Of course, you've got to be actually subscribed. Don't just tick and then untick the subscription. I will be checking. The second thing you've got to do is you've got to leave a comment or a question on any of my videos. This video doesn't count. I'm afraid it's going to have to be on one of my other videos. And three, there's an entry form to fill out. The link to the entry form is in the description and in the pinned comments. Full terms are on the form for this giveaway, including the slightly boring and necessary bit. I am only posting this myself, so I can only really send it somewhere where Royal Mail in the UK will actually deliver to. I'm drawing the giveaway live right here on Wednesday, the 22nd of July, about 1 p UK time. It's going to be on my lunch break because that's the glamorous life of a dentist. Entries close the night before, so on the 21st. Don't leave it till the last minute. And I'm pulling the winner on a kind of spinning wheel live on camera so you can see for yourself who's won. There's kind of no funny business. And that's it. Thank you genuinely for 30,000 subscribers. Now, go leave a comment and ideally, a kind one. I'll see you on the 22nd and watch out for the next giveaway for 40,000 subscribers. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.